Maraming pong salamat sa araw na ito na pinagkaloob niyo sa amin na nandito po ulit ang grupo ng Global Miranda Miners para po magtanim sa aming farm. Sana po ang mga itatanim naming mga halaman, fruit-bearing trees na dala nila ay mamunga po, lumaki, para po sana sa pagdating ng araw, makapasyal ulit sila dito para maka-harvest sila dito sa mga itatanim naming puno. Ikaw po, Panginoon, ang gagabay sa amin sa araw na ito. Patubayan niyo po sila sa kanilang pag-uwi. Pagkatapos ito, marami pong salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagbibigay sa kanila ng panahon para sa amin. Binabalik po namin sa inyo, Panginoon, ang aming pasasalamat papuri sa pangalan ng Panginoong Jesus. Amen.
Hey Kamiranda, we're here again sa farm sa Silang. Naalala ko, couple of years ago, 2 years, 3 years, actually 3 years ago yung pinakaunang tree planting natin. And we planted some mahogany. Tingnan mo naman, Kamiranda. Ito na siya. Diba? 2 years ago lang to, no? Kasama niya ito. This one. This one, ayan. Tsaka yun, yung isang yun. So, nakakatuwa lang na these trees ay something na tinanim natin couple of years ago. Sana through our program, ma-inspire ka namin na bilang isang cryptocurrency enthusiasts because nakakadagdag tayo ng somehow carbon footprint. No? So let's bring it back to the earth and to the environment by planting trees. Nakaka-amaze. No? Couple of years lang, gato na kalaki. What more 5 years from now? I love you 3,000. Mga Kamiranda, we're now here back sa Silang, no? Yung farm na talagang pinuntahan natin for the past 2 years, pangatlong taon na po natin ngayon. At kasama po natin si Ma'am Nora, who is the farm owner. Ma'am Nora, kamusta?
Mabuti naman po. Actually, ang nag-ano to, yung anak ko si Ma'am Jen. Ako lang ang nag-represent yun kasi si Ma'am Jen nasa Malaysia sa ngayon. Hindi siya nakauwi.
Sa Malaysia pala. Ayan. So,
kaya,
kamusta naman so far? No? Balik na naman kami on the 3rd year.
Yes, sir. Marami ng malalaki tayong puno. Merong ibang lumaki. Merong hindi masyado. Pero hopefully, 5 years from now, makapag-harvest na tayo dito. Kitahin ko kayo para mag-harvest, hindi na para magtanim.
Nako, marami kami mga clips na mga sample of na mga puno na talagang matangkad pa sa akin. Imagine mahogany, ma'am, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung mahogany
Yes,
doon, mas matangkad pa sa akin. Imagine
Mangga.
2 years lang.
Mangga.
May mangga din. Nakakatuwa, Kamiranda, yung experience. And for today, ano po ba yung mga punong itatanim natin?
Ano to, sir? Ano to? Avocado,
Guava,
guava, mango, guyabano, rambutan, kalamansi, langka, chiko.
So nakakagutom
Dami.
talagang fruit-bearing trees, Kamiranda. At you know, tayo sa Global Miranda Miner Group, talagang we're very focused, no, and passionate sa pagtatanim, giving back to the Mother Earth. Kasi nga syempre, tayo mga nasa cryptocurrency, partner tayo ng mga gumagamit ng crypto. At bawat validation na ginagawa for crypto consumes energy. And this is our humble way to give it back to our community. Sana samahan nyo kami very soon, mga Kamiranda, on our next activities, no, whether it's farming or other activities to build back or to bring it back to the community. Maraming salamat, Kamiranda. Ma'am Nora, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, sir, sa pagpili nyo sa amin para makapagtanim sa amin at malaking opportunity sa amin ito na napili na kami.
Of course. At babalik kami.
Yes, sir,
not
para
only
mag-harvest.
Opo, yon, to harvest as well as very soon, Kamiranda. Sabi nga nila, when is the best time to plant trees? 25 years ago daw. But nothing is too late, no? Soon, harvest na tayo. Salamat, Kamiranda. I love you 3,000.
I love you 3,000, Kamiranda. Thank you sa group ninyo.
Miranda. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan, so today is April 8th. It's my birth month and I'm happy that we're all here this today. So, sabi nga nila, the best thing to do on your birthday is not to receive, but be the one to give. But this is not about my birthday. This is about the collective mind and spirit of all our Kamiranda followers, represented by you guys here today in the farm. So I just wanted to say that planting a tree is not just about adding greenery to the earth. It's about investing to the future, nurturing life, and leaving a legacy of sustainability for generations to come. Each of the trees na meron tayo dito is going to hold a promise of cleaner air, healthier ecosystem, and more beautiful world. So dapat tayo, let's all dig deep, plant with a purpose, and watch our collective effort as Kamiranda into a greener and brighter tomorrow. What we're doing here is something that may be small, no, today, but rest assured that you're planting a small tree that will make a big difference to the nature that we have today.
The reason why I came here to plant trees is because we also every day, use resources. Every day we use electricity. We, in some way, waste sometimes. So I think planting is giving back a little bit of what we use every day, or it's a good thing to give back. And also, as you were saying, it gives us some good karma points for the future.
So kami kini para mananampalatayang kinabukasan.
At maging bahagi kayang mithiin na ng Global Miranda Miner na makapagpata ng puno para karang anak kayang future.
Wow. Dahil salamat kaya kayo. Kaluguran da nung libo Kamiranda!
Kamiranda. Hello.
Nandito kami ngayon, natanim sa Pets and Farm Camp. Ito ang motto namin for today, save the future one tree at a time. So as a trader, it is our responsibility to give back to the nature. At itong pagtatanim ng puno ay isa sa mga simpleng balik na pwede naming magawa as a crypto trader.
Outside trading, it's bigger than this. We planted more than, I think, 200 trees today. This very, very blessed day, and these small actions is talagang makakapag-contribute in the long term, nakakapag-plant tayo ng trees and giving back to our Mother Earth.
Pumunta kami rito, kasama ko yung kids, si Vash, then yung bunso ko, then yung asawa ko, para magtanim ng puno, para nga naman sa in the future, meron silang mapakinabangan pa. Diba? Tapos, para na rin sa global warming natin. Kumbaga, sa mundo, talaga naman napakainit na sa mundo natin. Kailangan natin magtanim ng mga puno, taka ng halaman. Tapos, para malaman din ng mga bata yung value ng ng halaman saka ng puno. Ayun.
Always remember that, yes, you may, after this, you're gonna be at your homes, but remember you're leaving, a plant with purpose, a plant that you have put your sweat, to be able for it to grow, and you're leaving something that contributes, for our environment. With that said, I love you 3,000 Kamiranda, at maraming salamat sa inyo. Kamiranda, save the future one tree at a time. I love you 3,000.